Hi everyone. In this video we will learn to add initial velocity to component, for motion analysis purpose. We will add initial velocity to the car and observe a crash. Let's start. Here, I have made a simple wall by assembling few blocks. The wall is built up on a base and a basic car model is imported. Let's go to motion study. Here, we see we only have animation and basic motion option. Also we don't see a initial velocity option. Go to SolidWORKS add-in, and select the SolidWORKS motion add-in. Now, we see motion analysis option. Also, right-click on car component, to see the initial velocity option. I will improve some settings. Add gravity in downward direction. And add solid body contact by selecting all components. Right-click on car component to add initial velocity. Select the direction and give velocity value. Dragging the key point to reduce the motion time. Click on Calculate. It may take a while. Let's view the crash motion. Let's view from other angles. The car stops after crashing as it loses its energy gained by initial velocity. Hope this video was interesting. Thank you. Subscribe to channel. And stay tuned for upcoming fun videos.